These are 6 tips you must consider when shooting a video. These tips don't require buying any expensive or maybe different gear than the one you already have. Remember that a better camera doesn't make you a better filmmaker or video maker. It all depends on you. I really hope this video will save you a lot of headaches I initially went through when I started my YouTube journey. My name is Ruben and I love music, cameras, writing, editing, eating well, working out, and everything related to filmmaking and living happier. This is the part when you get the idea for a video. Usually, first ideas are not always the best, so taking notes could help a lot. Now here you could do a few things. You can either write the whole script and try to learn it by heart, which is very difficult. You can write bullet points and develop them as you shoot the video. Or you can just have the general idea of the video and turn on the camera. It all depends how comfortable you feel in front of the camera. A good tip here could be to rehearse in front of a mirror. The sound is an essential part of a video. Many people underestimate it, hence neglecting it would be fatal. Almost all cameras come with an internal microphone or microphones. Try at all costs not to use them. If you're vlogging, connect an external mic to your 3.5 port and place it on the camera's hot or cold shoe, or in your shirt in the case of a lavalier microphone. A shotgun microphone on top of you, not like that, will give you better results while recording in a studio. Shotgun microphones can be connected straight to your camera or into an external recorder for even better results. Remember though that in that last case, you will have to sync audio and video in post-production. Oh, very important here. Check your audio monitor in your camera or in your external monitor for audio clipping. That can make the audio unusable. Here, let your imagination fly. Try and try again until you find the angle you like best. Avoid putting yourself against the wall. Instead, go near a window. Place the camera and let the whole room behind you. That way you will have more depth. It would be even better if you shoot from a corner or near one of the corners of the room. That way you will have some perspective behind you. And you can place the camera more or less at the height of your eyes. Outdoors, avoid filming against the sunlight at midday and under direct sunlight. Filming in the shade during the day will give you better results. Shooting early in the morning or near golden hours will give you beautiful outcomes. Learn how to use the rule of thirds and how this can enhance your whole composition. Light shapes everything we see. It gives volume, 3 dimensions. Using lights is perhaps one of the most important aspects of filmmaking, as you can express different emotions and moods. You could be near the wall and use 2 lamps or one in front of you, but remember that would make the frame very flat. You will get a lot of light spill, which is light going onto the background, reflecting places you don't want. Try getting further from the wall. Using the key light, for example, may be higher than your head a little bit at 45 or 90 degree angle. Test and see what suits you best. Try using a backlight or a ring light to separate you from the background. I know, the key light, backlight, fill light, rim light, there's so many combinations. But the most exciting thing here is that there's no right or wrong way. You have to try and see what works better for the scene you want to shoot. You can also bring some small lights as props to enhance the whole composition. Almost all DSLRs and modern cameras come with automatic settings. Try to stay away from them at all costs. Using autofocus could be beneficial in some cases. In others, using manual focus could be more suitable. Learn the rule of thumb or the relationship between the shutter speed and frame rate. Or, if you can, use shutter angle. Try filming your videos at 24 frames per second and your B-roll are 60 or 120. So if you want to slow them down, you have better results. And learn how to read the histogram. Use the white balance presets in your camera, selecting each one of them depending on where you're shooting. However, try to learn how to use custom white balance to obtain better results. Using a great card can help a lot. It doesn't really matter what video editor you use. Some may be better than others, but what counts here is your talent. So let your imagination fly again, and most importantly, remember to have fun. And this is the bonus tip. With all that being said, you know what they say about rules. They are made to be broken. So when you learn about all these things that we've been talking about today, do whatever the hell you want. Shoot and try again and discover that this is how we learn. Remember to live happier, eat healthier, stay fit, and never stop learning. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.